Hello and welcome to the Core and Advanced Python course. This is Bharat Reddy. I'm a software architect and best-selling instructor. And I'll be doing my best to help you make the maximum out of this course. You will be learning the language semantics to start with, then the functional programming side of Python, and we will then move on to the object-oriented side as well as master various advanced concepts like files, exception handling, regular expressions, and more. We will start this course by learning what Python is, why it is so popular, and how easy it is to create and execute a Python script. We will then move on to master all the language fundamentals such as data types, where you will learn the simple as well as the collection types, the operators and operands that we can use throughout our programs, the input and output functions, which will help us gather information from the end user and also display information to the end user of our application, flow control statements, which will help you define logic and also looping for your programs, passing command line arguments while executing your programs, all of that while working on tons of hands-on lectures and creating programs on your own. Functional oriented programming is a key aspect of Python. So you will learn how to create functions, how to execute them, how to pass input and get output back from functions. You will also create lambdas, generators, decorators, and more. Another important aspect of Python is its object-orientedness. You are going to learn the 4 important principles of object-oriented programming, create tons of classes and objects, and implement the 4 principles, namely encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Exceptions are runtime errors that will happen in our application. You will learn how to handle exceptions using the try and except blocks, use assertions as well as logging in your application. The files module in Python help us read and write files. You will master that topic as well. You will then use regular expressions to do pattern matching and search for strings and patterns in a given string. Date and time is an important API that most of the application needs. You will learn how to use that as well. To make the best use of the underlying processor, we need to use multi-threaded programming. This will also give a great experience of our application to the end user. So you will learn how to spawn off multiple threads in Python. So enroll now, master Python core and advanced in easy steps.